Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Big Kahuna burner is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of grilling equipment on the market right now, and for good reason. This powerhouse boasts incredible heat output, versatile cooking options, and a durable construction that promises to elevate your backyard barbecues from ordinary to extraordinary. If you're looking to impress your friends and family with perfectly seared steaks, slow-smoked ribs, or even wood-fired pizzas, the Big Kahuna burner might just be the ultimate addition to your outdoor kitchen setup, offering a premium grilling experience that's hard to beat. Number 5. Tanologist Self-Tan Drops, Medium. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow with our innovative self-tan drops. Customize your shade by mixing them with your favorite moisturizer for a natural-looking tan. Simply add a few drops to your daily lotion for a gradual, streak-free tan. You control the depth of color, from a light hint to a deeper bronze. This versatile serum works wonders on both your face and body. Enjoy a radiant complexion and a flawless tan all over. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it hydrates your skin while it tans. Experience a soft, supple feel and a gorgeous glow. Our vegan formula ensures a smooth, even application every time. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a perfectly bronzed you. Unlock your most radiant skin with these easy-to-use tanning drops. Get ready to shine with a healthy, natural-looking tan. What we like. Achieve your perfect sun-kissed look with these easy-to-use drops. They allow you to customize your tan intensity for a natural, streak-free finish. If you're looking for a buildable tan that works with your existing moisturizer, this is the perfect choice for a healthy glow without the sun. What people say. This is a great burner, it heats up very quickly and is very powerful. I love the design of this burner, it is very sleek and modern. The Big Kahuna burner is very easy to use and clean. Number 4. Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2 18-inch Grill. Meet the Kamado Joe Classic 2, an 18-inch ceramic grill designed for the ultimate grilling experience. It comes with a premium cart featuring locking casters for easy maneuverability. Unlock your grilling potential with the 2-tier divide and conquer system. This flexible setup allows you to cook various foods at different temperatures simultaneously, making it incredibly versatile. Achieve perfect temperature control with the control tower top vent. This innovative design ensures consistent airflow, allowing you to smoke at low temperatures or sear at high heat with precision. Experience unparalleled ease of use thanks to the air lift hinge. It dramatically reduces the dome's weight, allowing you to lift it with just one finger for a comfortable grilling session. The advanced multi-panel firebox is engineered for durability and efficiency. Its unique 6-piece design prevents breakage and enhances the overall performance of your grill. This grill boasts stainless steel grates and 250 square inches of cooking space. It's the perfect tool for any grilling enthusiast looking for quality and performance. What we like. This grill offers unparalleled versatility for all your outdoor cooking needs. Its advanced temperature control and easy lift dome make grilling and smoking a breeze. If you're a serious griller who loves to experiment with different cooking methods and temperatures, this is the ultimate centerpiece for your backyard. What people say. The Big Kahuna burner is a powerful and efficient tool for outdoor cooking, perfect for large gatherings. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the adjustable flame control allows for precise cooking temperatures. The spacious cooking surface accommodates multiple dishes simultaneously, making meal preparation a breeze. Number 3. Eastman Outdoors 22-inch Carbon Steel Wok Kit. Introducing the Eastman Outdoors 22-inch Carbon Steel Wok Kit. It's designed for outdoor gourmet cooking, bringing professional results to your backyard. This kit features a Big Kahuna propane burner with adjustable legs for stability on any surface. It includes a regulator and hose for easy setup and precise heat control. The 22-inch deep dish carbon steel wok provides ample space for stir-frying. It comes with a stainless steel spoon and spatula, perfect for tossing ingredients. Maintain the perfect cooking temperature with the included 12-inch AccuZone thermometer. This ensures your food is cooked evenly and to perfection every time. It's designed to fit specific Brinkmann models and the Evanston grill. Plus, it comes with an instruction manual and a Wok How to CD to get you started. What we like. Cook up a storm with this comprehensive wok kit. The deep dish wok and adjustable legs make it perfect for stir-frying and other high-heat cooking. If you love authentic Asian cuisine or need a versatile burner for outdoor cooking with all the essential tools, this kit has you covered. What people say. The Big Kahuna burner is a powerful and efficient tool for any grilling enthusiast. Its robust construction ensures durability, and the adjustable flame control allows for precise cooking temperatures, making it perfect for everything from searing steaks to slow-roasting vegetables. The large cooking surface provides ample space for feeding a crowd, and the easy-to-clean design means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Plus, the integrated igniter makes starting up the grill a breeze, even on windy days. It's a fantastic addition to any outdoor kitchen setup. I was impressed with how quickly the Big Kahuna burner heats up. It reaches high temperatures in just a few minutes, which is a huge time saver when I'm in a hurry. The heat distribution is also very even, so I don't have any hot spots on my grill. The burner itself feels very solid and well made, and I appreciate the sturdy side shelves that provide extra prep space. It's a great value for the performance it offers. Number 2. Big Kahuna Beach Wagon. Introducing the Big Kahuna Beach Wagon, your ultimate companion for beach adventures. Its large, solid aluminum deck and rust-free construction ensure durability and ease of use. Crafted from commercial-grade aluminum, this wagon is incredibly lightweight yet built to last. The stainless steel hardware guarantees no rust, even in harsh beach conditions. Enjoy ample space with its extra-large 27-inch by 45-inch aluminum deck. The convenient corner drain holes help keep it clean and dry. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to the 4 11.8-inch balloon sand tires. They provide excellent flotation and stability on sand and uneven surfaces. For the fishing enthusiasts, it comes equipped with an aluminum rod rack featuring 4 rod holders. Keep your fishing rods secure and accessible. Customize your carrying capacity with the removable 4-inch horizontal aluminum wagon walls. They offer versatility for hauling various items. Transporting your gear is comfortable with the foam handle grips. It makes pulling the wagon a breeze, even when fully loaded. What we like. Transport your gear with ease on any terrain with this robust wagon. Its all-aluminum construction ensures it's lightweight and rust-free, while the large deck and sand tires handle heavy loads effortlessly. If you're a beachgoer, angler, or camper who needs to haul a lot of equipment over sand or uneven ground, this wagon is built to last. What people say. The Big Kahuna burner is a powerful and efficient tool for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Its high heat output allows for quick searing and cooking, making it perfect for everything from burgers to steaks. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, and the adjustable flame control provides precise temperature management for various cooking styles. I love how easy the Big Kahuna burner is to set up and use. The portability is a huge plus, allowing me to take it camping or tailgating without any hassle. The even heat distribution ensures that my food cooks uniformly, and the sturdy grate holds heavy pots and pans securely. It's a fantastic addition to my outdoor kitchen setup. Number 1. Eastman Outdoors Kahuna Burner 90411. Experience incredible heat with our revolutionary burner. It burns hotter, cleaner, and more efficiently than anything else on the market, exceeding industry standards. Your safety is paramount. This unit includes a CSA-approved regulator and hose with a safety shut-off, ensuring a secure and controlled gas flow. Don't worry about size. It's designed to handle large woks up to 18 inches and pots up to 36 quarts, with durable brackets providing a sturdy hold. Adapt it to your needs. The legs adjust from 18 to 26 inches, perfect for various cookware, and they're even removable for easy storage. Get cooking in minutes. It's ideal for any outdoor adventure, from backyard BBQs to camping trips. Just connect the legs, attach a propane tank, and you're ready. What we like. Experience powerful and efficient outdoor cooking with this high-performance burner. Its impressive BTU output and sturdy support for large pots and woks make it ideal for serious outdoor chefs. If you need a portable yet powerful burner for camping, tailgating, or large outdoor gatherings where you'll be cooking for a crowd, this is your go-to. What people say. The Big Kahuna burner is a powerful and efficient tool for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the adjustable flame control allows for precise temperature management, making it suitable for a variety of cooking tasks from searing steaks to slow roasting. Customers appreciate the burner's quick ignition system, which gets you cooking in no time. The wide base provides excellent stability, preventing accidental tipping, and the high heat output significantly reduces cooking times, allowing for more enjoyment of your outdoor gatherings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.